Now we're going to show you how easy it is to assemble our Sightline monitor walls. Your monitor wall structure will go together with a single Allen key tool that will have been provided in the hardware bag with your shipment. The first thing we're going to do is assembling our freestanding monitor wall is to assemble our verticals and foot. This is our foot and this is our vertical. To set the foot, the first thing you want to do is remove this piece of hardware here. So we're going to take our Allen key and we're just going to loosen that until it comes out easily. Once this piece is out, we can then take our vertical and slide it into the foot. So you'll notice on the bottom of the vertical, there is this quick connect. All of our extrusions are going to go together with this quick connect and will be tightened with this Allen key. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the quick connect and we're going to slide it into this channel and work it forwards. If it's a little bit tight, you might have to jiggle it a little bit. Then we're going to take our piece of hardware, noting where our screw position is, and there's an indent in that hardware. We're going to put it into the slot and turn it, and we're going to move it forwards until it gets roughly in there. Once it's in, we can walk our piece together and it'll slide into place. We take our T-handle and we simply tighten our connections. Let's start with the top and then we move down to the bottom. Once those are tight, we can then add our cross members. So we're going to use our quick connection here and we're going to slide our cross member down into the channel and tighten it. Now this isn't going to be the final position, but it's a good starting place. And you'll see as I tighten it, the quick connect allows for self-leveling. So once we have our first one in, we'll put our second one in. And again, we just line our quick connect up with the channel and it should slide right in. And we're going to tighten it up for now. Now what you would do for the other side is you can either lay this down and slide your other leg on, or if you have a pre-built ladder, you can just add it to that. Now that we have our first ladder established, it's easy to add to that by holding a vertical and simply sliding down a cross member. So let's do that now. So we're going to hold our foot and vertical roughly the distance that we need to travel with our cross member. Get the cross member in one side, and then we line it up with the channel on the foot. Now, if you're out of alignment a little bit, don't worry about it. Just tap the vertical with your foot, and it should fall right into place. Once it's in place, we'll tighten it down on one side, which should hold the whole structure together while we put in the second cross member. And we'll drop it in. And once we're in on one side, you'll notice it might be a tight fit. Just tap the vertical with your foot until you get it to the proper alignment. And once you're in, it should slide right in. Bring it to the height you want and use your tool to tighten. Now at this point, you'd probably want to get a level and use your level to ensure that both of your cross members are level. But one of the benefits of the Sightline monitor wall system is that we can add all kinds of mounts to this system. We can add articulating monitor arms, we can add tilter mounts, and we can add fully articulating monitor arm. So let's do that now. So we're going to demonstrate putting on a basic tilt mount. So our basic tilt mount is going to go on using T-bolts into the horizontals of the extrusion. So you're going to line it up on your extrusion, get your T-bolt head in there, and tighten it up. Just hand tight for now will be fine. Come over to your other side. And put your next T-bolt in. And you'll notice that it's slightly out of alignment here. It's not a problem. We're going to take our T-key, we're going to loosen it, and we're just going to move it up so that it's right in place. Once it is, we put our T-bolt in, tighten it up, and we're going to use our T-tool again just to tighten the monitor wall. And then we're going to want to secure our T-bolts using our 13mm ratchet. And now we're ready to hang our monitor.